Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the top 5 famous places to visit in the beautiful pine tree state of Maine. First on our list is the stunning Acadia National Park, known for its breathtaking landscapes and hiking trails. Next, we have the historic Portland Headlight, one of the oldest lighthouses in the U.S. and a true New England icon. Don't miss a trip to the picturesque coastal town of Bar Harbor, where you can enjoy fresh seafood and charming boutiques. For all the history buffs out there, a visit to the charming town of Ogunquit is a must, with its rich maritime heritage. Be sure to also explore the vibrant city of Portland, known for its thriving art scene and delicious cuisine. If you're a fan of majestic mountains, then a trip to Mount Katahdin, the highest peak in Maine, is a must. Take a step back in time with a visit to the fascinating colonial Pemaquid State Historic Site in Bristol. Venture off the beaten path and discover the beauty of Moosehead Lake, the largest freshwater lake in New England. Experience the magic of the magical Old Orchard Beach, with its lively boardwalk and sandy shores. Lastly, don't forget to explore the enchanting beauty of the coastal town of Camden, known for its charming harbor and sailboats. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more travel inspiration. God bless you all.